Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the fundamentals so you don't hit blocks later. First, make sure your J7 Prime has a recent Android build. This affects dark options. Once done, charge above 20% and back up any quick settings you modified. Now you open settings and go straight to display or themes. You will act there. I'll show how and why each toggle matters, so make deliberate choices, follow my prompts exactly, and you'll proceed without a detour. You now perform the core change, enabling dark visuals. If display shows a dark mode toggle, flip it on. This updates system UI and supported apps. If the toggle is missing, open the Themes app, search for a dark theme, and apply it. This replaces colors across the system. Once applied, make sure to check quick settings for a dark toggle and set a schedule if you want automatic activation. Doing this ensures consistent results across apps and menus. You finish by validating and stabilizing the change. Inspect core apps and system screens. If a few apps still show light backgrounds, restart the phone to force theme refresh. If issues continue, clear the app cache or reapply the dark theme. Make sure to test contrast and readability. Adjust font size or color inversions sparingly. If nothing works, consider a factory reset only as last resort and backup data first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.